Hello, are you looking for an easier and faster way to simplify your WooCommerce checkout process? Welcome. Today, we will learn how to use multi-step checkout in Shopbuilder plugin. Say goodbye to complex checkouts and welcome the new multi-step checkout from Shopbuilder. Let me show you. Right here is our already beautiful modern checkout layout that our customers absolutely love. But we are going to convert this into a multi-step checkout. So let's go to the dashboard of your Shopbuilder, go to the settings, then to the module. Find out multi-step checkout, click on it. Switch on this to enable multi-step checkout modules like login step visibility, backup card button visibility, and then change label. For this, you will get back to cart options, previous button for your button text, and you can also change the next button text along with skip logging button text and the place order button text. Then click on save changes and then let's view it. Here, this is our customization. Here, we can see 4 steps of checkout process called billing, shipping, order, and payment. This interface is showing the billing form. When you shift from billing to the shipping, you will get another form. Just need to provide your name, address, and if you want to note any information. Then shift shipping to the order. Here you can see an order invoice. Then go to the payment steps to complete the whole process of your order. Now click on the place order. Instantly you will get an ultimate order invoice of your product. Now if you want, you can style your checkout page. Go to the settings and then style to change the colors, fonts and layout of the progress bar, step indicators and buttons to match your brand. To visit your customization, go to the checkout page, restore it and see the changes. If you want to further change the colors, then go to the style again and change the colors to your desired color. Once everything is set, preview your multi-step checkout to ensure it works seamlessly. Thank you for watching.